Hiya everyone, so today I have got an exciting video. I have got, I suppose, my official first advent calendar video of the season. I don't know whether this one will go up first, but this is the official first one. This is the Profusion 25-day advent calendar. This is 2025's edition. And yeah, I'm just excited to unbox this. They have got a few available on Boots now. They even have the Ted Baker one, which was going to be my first official one, because you guys know I love the Ted Baker advent calendar. And literally I opened my Boots order today and it didn't have it in the box. My Ted Baker advent calendar is missing, so I've had to contact Boots. So I haven't decided whether I'm just going to order another one, then return the one when they find my lost one. I haven't decided what I'm doing yet, because it's quite a pricey item. It's like £40 odd, and it's £40 odd item missing. But yes, we're not off to the best advent season start. But yes, I know it's early. Please don't come at me. I know it's early. I've got a bubble on my wrist. It's because my hair's been tied up. Yeah, I know it's early, but I know a lot of yous will be a lot of yous like me will want to watch these videos, so I'm getting them out for you. The ones that don't want to watch it, I'm very sorry, just turn off. But this is, in any ways, the Profusion advent calendar, and this is what I'm assuming yous are here for. This is a 25-day advent calendar. It costs £30, so let's work out what that works out at a day. Works out at £1.20 a day, so we're going to see whether this is worth £1.20 a day. I think £1.20 a day is not a lot in any ways. So yeah, it is unfortunately one of these ones that trash your like your skin, like a push one. But we're going to open it in any way. So we want day number 1, and we're just going to start. I can't believe I'm saying it. Day number 1. And we have got the Profusion sparkling lip topper. How stunning. Please mind my hands. I'm going to use my other hand. It's not much better, but my skin is horrendous at the minute. Sparkling lip topper. How pretty is that? Actually stunning. That was day number 1. We want day number 2, which is here. We have got, which looks like a full size nourishing lip oil. That looks really nice. That is a 4ml size. Let's have a see if it has a scent. It has a very faint fruity scent. Day number 3, which is here. We have got the Profusion Cosmetics Brow Wax. I actually really love their brow gels that come in their advent calendar. Honestly, one of my favourite ones. The spoolie looks quite nice as well. It's different to the previous years, but every year I've had one, it's been quite a good one. I do quite like spoolie. It's very skinny, so I'm quite excited about that. Not that I need any more clear brow gels. I literally get stocked up of advent calendar season. We want day number 4, which is here. We've got a lip balm, a Profusion lip balm in like this squeezy tube. Profusion lip balm in this squeezy tube style packaging. Honestly, this is not my type of packaging in stuff like this, so that is not something I will keep. Day number 5, which is here. Oh, we have got a sponge, like a half sponge. I quite like the shape of this. This is a full size sponge. Very happy with that. Good little product. We want day number 6, which is up here. We have got a plump and scrub, a plumping lip scrub. Oh, that's the first time I've ever heard of a plumping lip scrub. I've got to be so careful. I don't know what's going on, but my hands, my lips, anything lately has been setting them off. I mean, you can see this sheer state of my hands. So I'm a bit nervous on what I've been putting on my skin lately. Smells very nice, and I'm sure my niece will love that, because that's definitely like right up her street, you know. Smells lovely though. Right, that was day number 6. Went day number 7, which is up here. I'm scared that I'm going to cut my skin because my skin's so sore. We have got a mascara. And that is it there. And that's, yeah, there. So that was 7. We want day number 8, which is here. We have got a lipstick, and this is a nude lipstick, and it doesn't have a shade or anything like that. And that is it there. It's quite a deep nude. See, again, like a fruity smell, but a very mild fruity smell. We want 9, which is this big one up here. I think it's brushed by the rest of it. Oh no. Okay, we have got a full size eyeshadow stick in this like a champagne-y colour, and it is a twistable one too, which looks really nice. And that's about how much product you're getting, so not a small amount. The only thing is, products like these creamy eyeshadow sticks just don't last on me because I'm sweaty faced. That was day number 9. We wanted a day number 10, which is on the other side. I'm literally just straight into it, if I can get into it. Oh, this is Bonnie. This is Bonnie. This is the mini contour palette, but I think it's like an eyeshadow palette. It can't be like a contour palette for your face. This is a chat. That is beautiful. This is just right up my street. £4. Really nice, subtle shades. I just love stuff like this. I love stuff like this. Absolutely stunning. That's 10. We want day number 11, which is on the other side. We have got a red, but it is a lip gloss, so I just don't like red in liquidy forms. This is the hydrating lip gloss. That's it there. Very pretty. I love a red, but I would never wear red lip glossy. Just personal preference. Right, we want day number 12. Is it big in this corner here? Ooh, this sounds like right up my street. So we have got a shimmer body mist. Is this a mist like as in for your face, or a mist for your body? I'm so excited. Look at that. Doesn't say where you can use it on your face. Oh, it smells beautiful. It's like a perfume, so I'm not sure whether you would put it on your face. I'll have to look that up. Doesn't say. It says it's a body mist, so I'm not putting it on my face. But that smells gorgeous. It smells like a Victoria's Secret body mist. I'm so excited. That is like my favourite product so far. I can't even remember what day we were on. I'm thinking 12. So 13. 12. So we're on day number 13, which is on the same side. It's a long skinny one. And we have got a primer. It is a face primer. It comes in this little tube like that. I'm sure it'll probably be just like a standard primer. It doesn't say it's pore filling. Like that. That was 13. We wanted day number 14, which is on the other side. We have got a liquid blush. This looks nice. It's in the shade Light Rose, and it's one of, it almost looks like a lip gloss. Let's have a look at this, because this is like definitely something that I would use. So I've put a little tiniest amount there. It's got a bit of a shimmer to it. You see, it's definitely got a pink hue to it, but you can't see. Oh, it's definitely, can you see? But it's definitely quite like 90% shimmer. Oh, nice, quite shimmery. That was 14. We went day number 15, which is here. We have got a Profusion Cosmetics black eyeliner. One of them style ones. I don't wear eyeliner. I barely wear much makeup these days, but yeah, definitely no eyeliner. So that's 15. We want day number 16, which is on the other side, and we have got, which is another thing that looks right up my street, a jelly lip and cheek tint, which is this one here, and this looks right up my street. Oh my god, look at this. It's like them virally things. Right, we're gonna have a go with this, aren't we? Oh, I like that. Yeah, I like that. That's 16. We want day number 17, which is down here. We have got the Profusion Glow Drops, and this is it here. And it is just like a liquid creamy highlight, I think, on a doe foot. Really, like, definitely like what's trending right now, sort of thing. Good size product and all. We want day number 18, which is a lip liner, and it looks very much like it would go with the lipstick that we got earlier. We want day number 19, which is down the side, and we have a setting spray, which is more my cup of tea. We have got a setting spray. This is what it looks like here. It doesn't really, oh, it says it's a matte finish setting spray. Let's have a go with this then. Oh, it's got a lovely smell. Very faint. It's alright, mister. And I love a little setting mist, so yeah. Very happy with that. That was 19. We want 20, which is another one, a big one here. Let's see what we get here. It looks like a brush. It is a brush. And it looks like a really nice brush as well. This is what it looks like here. Feels nice. Yeah, I think that's a good product. Good little product. So that was 20. We want 21, which is down in this bottom corner here. We have got the mini liquid highlighter. So we've already gotten like glow drops. But to be honest, this seems like the same sort of like doe foot type applicator, and it's a little mini version of it. So that was like the full size, and the shade one is like slightly darker, one slightly lighter. Like not much a difference in shades, so good little product. That was 21. We want 22. We have got false lashes with the glue. I kept saying this last year. I didn't like it the year before and all, how they had them on separate days. So I like how they've improved that. Definitely like how they've improved that. So that is that one. 22. We want day number 23, which is up in the top corner. We've got another blush. This is Blush Hour. What it looks like. Yeah, definitely don't think the shade is for me. I think it's like a doe foot applicator one. Yeah, so that is that one. That was $23. Went 24, which is on the other side. And we've got one of their liquid little metallic topper things. I love these. These are so good. Really good these are, and you just get glitter basically, and they top them. So good. I'm dead chuffed we got another one of them in, because they're normally like one of my favorite products. Dead chuffed with that one. And then 25. That is everything. I'm sure I haven't missed a day. If I have, I will tell you in a second. And day number 25, after I've trashed this whole advent calendar, is the Twinkly Eyes eyeshadow palette. And that is really pretty. That is the Profusion advent calendar. This advent calendar costs £30, works out about £1.20 a day. I feel like this actually is really quite good. I feel like all the products are usable, full size, majority full size products. If they're not full size, they're quite decent sizes. You're getting the lashes with the glue on the same day. It definitely has improved, and they're definitely giving you like more trending type style type products as well. I'm chuffed with this. I think it's good. I'm sure I like last year's. I can't remember. I don't like the packaging of the calendar, just purely because of my skin on my hands. It's quite rough on my hands, stuff like this. But that is really it. And then obviously it's like, I mean, there's now left of it. It's trashed. But yeah, that is the Profusion advent calendar. What did you guys think of it? I'm really impressed with this. I'll put it down below. I'll link it down below for you guys. And anyways, but I think this would be really good for like its targeted audience, which is teenagers. So chuffed with it. I think it's dead good, and I would actually recommend it. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. And anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love you to subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. And don't forget, a lot of these products I put to one side, and I do advent calendar giveaways I do advent calendar giveaways at the end of October, beginning of November. So if you haven't already, it's definitely worth subscribing, so you can be in for a chance to win my own handmade advent calendars to a couple of my subscribers. And yeah, I will see you all in my next one. Bye.